case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1974 case of Wichita Eagle and Beacon Publishing Company, v. Pacific National Bank, heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, the dispute centered around the classification and function of a specific financial document. A debate stood over whether a letter of credit was truly that, or if it indeed functioned as a guarantee. On top of this, there was contention over the legitimacy of a forfeiture clause, which imposed liquidated damages of $250,000. The issue originated from a breach in an underlying lease by the lessee, which triggered the liquidated damages clause. The bank, acting as the guarantor, was challenged for its reluctance to honor the payment, asserting that the instrument's liability had either been reduced to $50,000 or ceased entirely. The lower court ruled that the bank was obligated to meet the original payment of $250,000, as the lessee did not exhibit due diligence in obtaining the required building permits as outlined in the lease agreement. Pacific National Bank appealed the decision, maintaining the argument of reduced or terminated liability, but the appeal was ultimately unsuccessful. Despite being labeled as a letter of credit, it was ruled that the instrument better fit the definition of a guarantee. Further, the court validated the liquidated damages clause. It held that the clause was enforceable, since it offered a reasonable estimate of potential losses, a conclusion that was reached given the inexact nature of predicting actual damages from a breach. The Court of Appeals therefore reversed and remanded, instructing the lower court to enter judgment in favor of the plaintiff, Wichita Eagle and Beacon Publishing Company, against Pacific National Bank for $250,000. Additionally, the court applied interest to the principal amount from the date of the bank's initial refusal to pay, May 3, 1965. This ruling reaffirmed the importance of the substantive provisions of financial instruments over their titles, and established a clearer understanding of valid and enforceable stipulated damages clauses.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.